Did you know that every minute 3.8 million searches are performed on Google? 46% of those are local searches for nearby businesses like restaurants, coffee shops, and grocery stores. Local shoppers need convenience nearby, wouldn't you agree? Establishing and optimizing your Google My Business listing can mark the complete difference from other businesses just like yours, not to mention gaining higher engagement from nearby shoppers. GMB is an amazing platform also powered by Google Maps that gives the advantage for brick-and-mortars to be placed on the online radar. Don't stop watching, because what I'm about to go over will give you a whole new perspective on how Google My Business will boost your business online. You will also gain insight into local SEO and how GMB influences your local organic ranking. What is local SEO? If you're wondering how other businesses, especially your direct competitors, keep on top of visibility and awareness for their audiences, well, local SEO is the ace up their sleeve. As a digital marketing strategy that consists of optimizing geographical keywords, business listings, and more, it works in your favor to enhance qualified local traffic from the SERPs to your website. For example, if browsing electrician near me in Miami, Florida, the local business's top ranked in organic listings of Google would be OK Electric Works, High Quality Electric, and Cornerstone Electric. Accomplish improved organic visibility for local businesses through a set of schedule optimizations. One of that prioritizes Google My Business in local SEO management. Still not grasping the magnitude of local searches and how they impact your business? Here are stats that will juggle that thought. 30.2 million are small businesses in the US, representing 99.9% of companies in the country. Imagine how many of these are local businesses. 46% of global searches have local intent, 1.6 billion searches to be exact. Google My Business 101. GMB is a free platform that allows you to manage, edit, and optimize your business profile on Google. Adding vital information about your business can impact how strong your profile is, so make sure to include business name, physical address, business hours, phone number, website link, call to action, products or services, photos or videos, business description, and reviews. Together, all these are working factors that boost your local SEO and increase the likelihood of better ranking. How does Google My Business influence local ranking? Data from Google Trends proves that queries using Near Me have grown exponentially over the past 5 years. Do your current keywords optimize towards Near Me variations? Here's a little disclaimer for you to consider. Google My Business profiles don't always show the same information for all businesses. Google will display sections that are considered important and relevant to the search queries. There are times when a Google My Business listing will fail to show at all, so ensuring your information is as complete and accurate as possible will affect ranking. Local search results at the top of SERPs. Achieving top SERP positions require a solid SEO strategy and consistent execution. Google places local businesses' information above the SERP, even if there are top-ranked businesses, so your business will always have a chance. The power of GMB for voice search results. With voice search used more and more every day, GMB optimizations played an essential role on how voice assistants choose to provide results. If you want to learn more about SEO for voice search, watch this video on our YouTube channel. Maximize Google My Business potential with local SEO. Google My Business is one of the best supporting platforms available for local SEO efforts. With Google Business Profiles Manager, you can count on endless options to edit primary business information and multimedia content, such as photos and videos, written reviews, and gain insights into your account's performance. Priceless information and settings to perfectly optimize your listing, if you ask me. Pro tip: try focusing on the info section in GMB for your first optimization point in local SEO efforts. Having a well-optimized profile in GMB will help your business appear among the first position in the SERPs, resulting in better visibility and a higher chance of potential clients and sales. Takeaways. What do you think about Google My Business now? Can't wait to get started, right? Before you go, let's quickly recap. Google My Business is a platform that has become essential and ideal for businesses who want to have a higher visibility on the web. In a nutshell, GMB is one of the best ingredients for a local SEO strategy. If you're experiencing issues showing at the top local searches or need help updating your local data for your business, go ahead and give us a holler. Our SEO strategists are prepared to support you with the search engine position. Did you like this video? Get notified for others just like it by subscribing to our YouTube channel and activating the notifications bell. Till the next one!